Hey everyone, welcome, Shreesha here. In today's video, I will be showing how I do my eyebrows in depth. Without any further ado, let's get started. Products that you require are eyebrow brush. You have angle brush on one side and spoolie on the other. This is from Morphe. Next we have a Morphe clear eyebrow mascara. This is my absolute favorite. You can also use the clear gel pomade if you want. I like to use the L'Oreal Brow Artist powder. This comes with a small spoolie. This is quite travel friendly too. And I like to use the Morphe brow pomade. This is in the shade Java Chip. So let's get started. I have zoomed you all a little closer so that you can see how I do my brows. First things first, take a spoolie and just brush out the hair in the natural direction that it grows. Once this is done, I like to go in with the clear brow gel. I don't know if you can see, there is two ends to the spoolie. I would like to go in with a longer side and then gently brush the hair in the direction of growth and slightly press it down so that it stays in place, and then I can know where I really need to fill. I will definitely give this a minute or two to just dry. Once I have applied the clear eyebrow mascara, I would like to go in with the spoolie again and just brush it so that it takes off any excess product and also makes sure that the eyebrow hair stays in place. Once this is done, let's fill in with the cream as well as the powder product. I will be taking the powder from L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit, taking this on the angle brush and placing it only in the inner part of eyebrows, starting from here and then gently drawing the base that I want to have. Make sure that you use a very light hand. This eyebrow product is quite pigmented. I would like to flick or draw the eyebrow hair strokes like this. Make sure that you do not overfill the starting of your eyebrows, because naturally we do not have that much of hair when compared to the midsection or the tail area of the eyebrows. This is how I like to fill the powder product on just in the inner part of the eyebrows. Moving on, I will be switching on to the cream product. I'll be using the cream product on the inner part of my eyebrows as well as the tail part. What I would like to do is start from here, give a mild light strokes and start filling it in. If you all want, you can definitely adjust the arc of the eyebrow. If you want to do some changes, just feel free and do. Make sure that it is very light. Do not go overboard with it. And once this is done, I like to go in with the spoolie again and just brush the hair just to see if there are any sparse areas wherein I need to fill it again. This is how it will look once it is filled. I really like the way this is looking. Can you all see the difference without eyebrow product and with eyebrow product? It makes a huge difference and also frames your entire face. Let's quickly do the same thing on the other side, taking the powder first and slowly running through the inner part of the eyebrows, flicking it upwards here and then going with the cream product. Going in with the cream product again. Once this is done, just brush using the spoolie. Here's the completed look. What do you guys think about this brow routine? I will tell you all, this brow routine makes sure that it stays easily up to 6 to 8 hours. It doesn't move once the eyebrows are set. It is set. That's it for this video. I shall see you all in my next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell for further updates.